Well guys, here we go again. I have no idea what's going on today. We seem to have a technical issue now with Facebook. So anyway, welcome to another edition of Rupert's Weekly Property Show. Today from a great 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment here, a corner apartment on the island, on Laceland, here on Condado. It's a little bit windy today, as you can maybe hear, but still the weather is beautiful. Great daytime, here on Condado de Alhama, and I'm showing you today a 3-bed, 1-bathroom apartment here on Condado de Alhama on Laceland, which is maybe the most exclusive development for the time being. I know, and you know as well, there's lots of new construction going on, but actually at the moment I would say Laceland is still the most exclusive development here on site. Well, 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, here on Laceland. It's reference 3688 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescosta.com. And as you can see, we have fantastic views here. We're overlooking the lake, obviously, overlooking the countryside, the mountains here are and behind the mountains you would see already the sea. So there would be nearly sea view, but it isn't. So no sea view, but still we have fantastic views over here. And I'm showcasing today a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort on Laceland. Here you can see Rupert in the mirror, which is always fun. And we have prepared here kind of an alfresco dining situation for you. So just to give you an idea how this could look like and how you could enjoy life here on Condado de Alhama in this great 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom corner apartment. It's reference 3688 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescosta.com, and asking price is only 139,000, which means this comes as fully furnished, sold as seen apartment with air conditioning in all rooms, fully fitted kitchen, as we can see here, and it's a real kitchen. It's not just the kitchenette or the compact kitchens you might find normally in the Laceland apartment. This is a proper room, your own kitchen. Yeah, happy days. Equipped obviously with dishwasher, oven hob extractor fan, a Smech fridge freezer, so that's also quite nice. And as we said, it's fully furnished, sold as seen. We have set up inside, outside some tables and some situations just that you can get an idea of how this looks like. And well, I hope somebody watches my show because I don't have any viewers at the moment. So let's see. I'm now in the first of 3 apartments. There is a beautiful mirror where you could have seen Rupert as well if he would have been quick enough. And here we go again with fully air conditioned, as we said. There's 1 aircon unit here. We have a fitted wardrobe here, also quite nice. And the furniture is also pretty decent. The apartment has hardly been used, was once rented out for a short period, but otherwise nearly all what you see in here is pretty in good nick. And we are already coming to in my opinion, the master bedroom, because it's the closest to the bathroom, but well, we can see this from both sides. So again, fitted wardrobes, again, air conditioning, and I think it's quite a nice setup here. I really like the setup. And price-wise, 139,000 for 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom is pretty unbeatable. Both of the bedrooms we have seen so far have direct access to the terrace, which allows a decent view in the morning overlooking the countryside, overlooking the lake. So it's quite impressive, isn't it? I think so. So, here we go again. I placed the mirror here just to confuse the enemy. No, just to confuse me. No problem at all. In the 3rd bedroom, we are hiding today Anna and Susanna, our new listing dream team. Susanna's with us now since 6 months already, and happy days. Again, welcome to the team. I think you guys are making a great joint operation here, no doubt about. Anna is with us already since years, you know, she's also already part of the inventory, as Susanna will be as well soon. So happy days and welcome. Apart from that, as we always say, Rupert, careful joke, it's sold as seen, but not the 2 girls with their laptops. In the 3rd bedroom, we do have a triple, how shall I say, triple fitted wardrobe. Wow, that's what it is. So they're even bigger than the other 2 as well. Air conditioned, as always. So we said each room is air conditioned, living room and the 3 bedrooms. We have as well 1 bathroom, which is equipped with all the mod cons a bathroom needs. Obviously starting with the bathtub, overgoing to the hand wash basin, and there is also a mirror, but as the light is behind me, you can't see my face here. Okay, I don't have to explain anything else in this room, because I think you all know what these things are for, so there is no need to continue with that, and we come back already into the living room, which, as we said, all the apartment is sold as seen. It's reference 3866 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. I don't think you will find it on merciadreams.com, but you'll definitely find it on qualityhomescostacalida.com. Outside here, as you can see, there are several awnings installed. We have put out this one just to give us a little bit of shade, but there are two more, because this one is rather for the afternoon sun, so we also need one for the morning sun and for midday. So here is the one for the morning and midday sun, because this covers really the most important part here of the terrace. Then we follow up here with a half-covered part, so this one has already partly a roof on top. And you might think of putting another one here, but I don't really think it's necessary in the early morning to have this already, but that's down to you. And the owner then decides what he wants to do with it. View-wise, well, what can I say? We are in the corner position, so there's hardly anyone who can look out to our terrace, because the next block is far away, as you can see. What we see here is the community hut. This is a nice small building which provides so that's quite a nice thing to have. And as well, we have the adult gym over there, which I think is also quite a nice thing to have, with fantastic views. Imagine exercising here, overlooking the lake. That's a nice one, definitely. So, we are talking about reference 3688 on the dedicated webpage qualityhomescostacalida.com. The asking price is only 139,000 euros, careful. So, as the pound is very strong at the moment, I would say now over my head about 118,000, 120,000 pounds. That's quite a steal, I would say, now, for a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment here on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. I think it's a pretty good value for what you get now. You get really 3 decent bedrooms. You get a really decent living room. And I'm not talking about the normal Isla living room, which would also include the kitchen. In this case, it's not included because the kitchen is separate. Because in a normal apartment here, this would be the kitchen area. So you would have only this space available from here to here for living and dining. So in this case, the living space is over here. We have a decent dining space over here. And we have a separated kitchen in here. So space-wise, it's also a place to live here permanently. This is also, to me, a residence place as well as a holiday place for more than 4 people. Would rent out for holiday makers fantastically, as well as it would rent out, I think, as a long term. So it could be also an investment. But holiday makers for sure would love this apartment, especially as it has such a big terrace. And this also is counting for many people as very attractive, especially during summer when the life is rather taking place outside than inside. Well, having said that, just let's have a quick glance again on the bedrooms, which are all pretty the same to say. Yeah, we have a mirror there, I know it already. Rupert will not enter the mirror thingy again. Again, some views from the bedrooms. Isn't it amazing? I think it's amazing. So, 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. We are on Condado de Alhama Golf Resort. We are on La Isla, which is actually maybe the most exclusive part of Condado de Alhama at the very moment. We have also private an individual parking space on the roof, comes included with the property, as well as the full furnishing we can see in our show, as well as all the air conditioning, kitchen white goods, and all that, which comes included with the property. Reference 3688. Asking 139,000 euros. As always, negotiable, decent offers, or sensible offers, better said, are welcome and will be obviously transmitted to the sellers. Well then, the 3rd bedroom, and we are nearly done already. There we go. So, I will not go with the joke again as we always do. No. Okie doke. So, Well then, this is, I think, a very nice opportunity to get a decent foothold here in Spain, especially set on the Costa Calida, even more in Alhama de Murcia, even more in Condado de Lama Golf Resort. By the way, the only resort with the Jack Nicklaus signature course, so in case you're a keen golfer, this would be an option for you because, as you maybe know, Jack Nicklaus, there's several levels of service when he designs a golf course. In this case, it's a Jack Nicklaus signature course, which means the work has been supervised by Jack Nicklaus, as well as the design has been made by himself, which obviously provides a total different quality to the golf course than any other. So it's for the keen golfer, this is really an option. Reference 3688 on qualityhomescostacalida.com, asking price 139, sold as seen. I'm Rupert. I'm doing Rupert'S property show every week on Thursday. There might be another show during the week, but normally we go live every Thursday at 5 o'clock our time, which means 4 o'clock in the UK and the Canaries. And if you wish more information about this property or any else, just drop me a line on rupert@qualityhomescostacalida.com or to info@qualityhomescostacalida.com, and me and my team will be happy to help you through all your questions and doubts you might have regarding purchasing a property here on Condado. Well then, in the meantime, I hope I see you again next Thursday, 5 o'clock, where we will showcase a different property. I'm not sure yet where we will be. As you know, we're also reaching out to other areas. So let's see what we decide to do for next Thursday. In the meantime, thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. God bless. Cheers.